It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
After you remodel your pool, it's important to understand how to maintain it and some issues that can come up if you don't. Mark from Gardner Outdoor and Pool Remodeling is here to help us understand a couple of major issues. What are those ones that can happen for us?
You can develop scale or algae.
Scale or algae? Okay, well, let's dive into each of those. What is scale?
Scale is calcium deposits that have attached themselves to the walls or the floor of the pool or the tile line.
What's the cause of that?
Improper chemical balance, low pH, low alkalinity, chlorine, or even salt if you have a salt chlorinator.
So letting the pool water get away from you basically is what happens.
Yes, improper water chemistry can cause all kinds of problems in pools.
It's a very difficult thing to do. When I've had a pool, I felt like I was riding a bucking bronco trying to keep my water chemistry balanced. Is it a problem people face? Is that
Absolutely. That's why a lot of people hire professionals to take care of their pools. It is a constant battle.
And that build up, how long does it take for that to build up and really be able to show the scaling?
It can happen pretty quickly, weeks, and all of a sudden you're dealing with it.
And what's the solution to it?
Well, you can sand the pool. There are solutions that you can put into the pool that could remove it depending on how bad it is. You might have to lower your water level and refill it with water in order to change your chemistry.
But it can be handled. It's not the end of the
Yes,
world.
it can be handled.
What about algae?
Algae is a growth inside your pool, just like it sounds like. There's different kinds. There's black, green, yellow, and brown.
Is one worse than the other?
Black is the worst.
Black is the worst.
Yeah.
Okay, like black mold.
Yes, and black grows roots, so it actually goes through the finish into the shell of the pool and attaches itself there. So it's very hard to get rid of.
Does it cause damage to the pool wall?
It can,
Okay.
over time.
Are there any other risks to algae?
Well, it's not good for your health, and it certainly looks terrible, and it's ruining your finish.
So it is. It's lessening the length of the life of that finish in the pool.
Oh, yes.
Okay. What's the solution to algae? Just keeping the water in proper balance?
Well, with black algae, you really have to cut out that spot and dig into as far as it goes and try to remove it. Some people will use a PVC pipe and put chlorine directly on it, but really the best thing is to remove it. With the other kinds, you can do a shock the pool, which is a lot of chlorine, and that can help fix it.
So there are solutions to it, and you can help people with those at Gardner. You can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.